Apple is gearing up for what could be its most pivotal iPhone launch in years. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another yearly refresh, it represents a philosophical shift, a convergence of design, performance, and artificial intelligence that signals Apple's vision for the future. For the first time in recent memory, the choices behind the new iPhone feel cohesive and strategic rather than incremental. Apple is clearly responding to an industry that's become increasingly aggressive. With rivals like Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge pushing boundaries, Apple is showing it's not content to simply iterate. The iPhone 17 Pro Max emerges as a direct answer to intensifying competition and rising consumer expectations. Design, refinement. Over revolution visually, the changes may appear subtle, but they're meaningful. A slimmer form factor, narrower bezels, and a more angular, squared design create a sleek and modern aesthetic. It's not about reinventing the look, but about refining what already works. Underneath, however, is where the real transformation begins. Apple has reportedly restructured the phone's internal layout to improve thermal efficiency and component compactness, laying the groundwork for new, more powerful features. Under-display Face ID. A new era of immersive screens, the most anticipated. Change, under-display Face ID. If Apple pulls this off, it would eliminate the notch entirely, delivering a truly edge-to-edge screen. More than just a visual upgrade, it would represent Apple's willingness to take calculated risks on core features and a step closer to a seamless, immersive device experience. Camera evolution. Periscope zoom. Arrive's photography is another area poised for a leap forward. Leaks point to the arrival of a variable periscope zoom lens, finally allowing for extended optical zoom without compromising quality. For creators and mobile photographers, this could rival the versatility of dedicated camera equipment within a phone that fits in your pocket, A19. Pro chip, power, efficiency, and smarter. AI8. The heart of the iPhone 17 Pro Max lies Apple's new A19 Pro chip, expected to be the first mass-market processor built on a 2nm fabrication process. This jump means better performance and dramatically improved energy efficiency, key for powering increasingly AI-heavy features without draining battery life. AI is set to take center stage in Apple's roadmap. The enhanced neural engine could support advanced tasks like real-time photo editing, on-device voice translation, and proactive user assistance, all processed locally for speed and privacy. Titanium build, a lighter, stronger Pro. Apple may also introduce a long-requested material change, titanium across the Pro lineup. Unlike stainless steel, titanium offers high durability with far less weight, a game-changer for the Pro Max, which has often been criticized for being too heavy. The result? A more comfortable device without compromising on strength or luxury. Display. Faster, brighter, better display-wise, Apple is rumored to push boundaries with a panel that could reach 144 Hz refresh rates, a first for the iPhone. Combined with industry-leading brightness and color accuracy, this would bring buttery smooth motion and immersive clarity. Critical as Apple continues to battle Samsung's AMOLED superiority and Google's tuned pixel displays. Battery and software. Finally, a real leap forward battery life, often a bottleneck in smartphone evolution, may finally take a meaningful step forward. Thanks to the 2nm chip and iOS 19 optimizations, users could see real-world improvements, longer uptime, better standby performance, and smarter energy allocation. Features like smarter background processing, improved always-on display management, and app efficiency enhancements could collectively reduce battery anxiety, even for power users. Apple Intelligence, AI that feels personal. The iPhone 17 Pro Max may also mark the debut of Apple's broader AI strategy, unofficially dubbed Apple Intelligence. With iOS 19, users might experience more context-aware Siri commands, intelligent automation, and real-time behavioral suggestions, all processed on-device to protect user privacy. This shift could transform how we interact with our phones, from passive tools to proactive digital assistants tailored to our habits, goals, and routines. Pricing and ecosystem value. Naturally, All these advancements beg the question, how much will it cost? The Pro Max line has never been budget-friendly, and this year's model is expected to climb even higher. But for many, the value may be justified. Whether it's the breakthrough AI features, next-gen display, upgraded cameras, or a lighter build, the total package reflects a bold reimagining, not just an upgrade. Crucially, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is more than a standalone device. It's a central node in Apple's ecosystem. Expect seamless interplay with iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, and AirPods, creating a hyper-connected, responsive environment that competitors still struggle to replicate. Apple versus Samsung, a 2025 flagship showdown with the Galaxy S25 Edge poised. For a similar launch window, the battle for premium smartphone dominance in 2025 will be intense. Samsung is betting on foldables and generative AI. Apple's counterpunch is refinement, integration, and smart features that work invisibly and intuitively within its ecosystem. Conclusion: more than an iPhone, a technological milestone, the iPhone 17 Pro Max may represent more than just another high-end smartphone. It could be a blueprint for Apple's future. From AI to ergonomics, from privacy to performance, it's a device that aligns more closely than ever with how we live, work, and communicate in a digital-first world. Whether you're an Apple loyalist or an Android enthusiast watching the horizon, this launch isn't one to overlook.